Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving into a fascinating word, direct. So, what does direct actually mean? Well, as a B1 verb, it essentially means to guide or lead someone or something. Think of it as showing someone the way, giving instructions, or being in charge of something to make sure it goes where it needs to go. We use it all the time in everyday language, often without even realizing it. Now, let's explore some synonyms for direct. A good synonym is guide. For example, the park ranger will guide us through the forest. Another synonym is lead. You could say, the manager will lead the team to success. We can also use the word instruct as a synonym. A sentence could be, the teacher will instruct the students on the new material. Manage is another option. For example, she will manage the project from start to finish. Finally, consider supervise. The foreman will supervise the construction workers. Notice how each of these words shares that core idea of leading or showing the way, but with slightly different nuances. Now, let's flip the coin and look at antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of direct. One antonym is mislead. Imagine someone saying, he tried to mislead me with false information. Another antonym is confuse. The complicated instructions confused everyone. We can also use the word obstruct. For example, the fallen tree obstructed the path. Think about hinder as well. The rain hindered our progress. And finally, consider delay. The traffic jam delayed my arrival. These words all suggest a lack of guidance, a deliberate attempt to deceive, or something getting in the way of progress, the exact opposite of direct. So, how can we use direct in our everyday lives? Well, think about asking for directions. You might say, can you direct me to the nearest supermarket? Or, if you're giving someone instructions, you might say, I will direct you on how to assemble the furniture. In a work context, a manager might direct their team to complete a task. You might also see it used in the context of movies or plays. He will direct the new film adaptation. Here are a few more example sentences to solidify your understanding. The flight controller will direct the plane to the runway. She will direct her attention to the important details. He will direct the orchestra with passion and precision. The sign will direct tourists to the historical landmarks. The software will direct the robotic arm to the correct position. Let's look at some common phrases too. A direct flight means a flight that goes straight to your destination without any stops. A direct line can refer to a phone line that connects you directly to someone. You might also hear about direct marketing, which is marketing that targets specific individuals directly. Also, if someone is being direct, it means they are speaking frankly and honestly, without beating around the bush. In summary, direct means to guide or lead. We learned some great synonyms like guide, lead, instruct, manage, and supervise, and contrasting antonyms like mislead, confuse, obstruct, hinder, and delay. We also explored how direct is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. Before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find Hello Word and learn English too. And for a fun challenge, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word direct and share it as a comment under this video. I'd love to see your creativity in action. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.
Goodbye.